I want you guys to see what's gonna happen here.
Bruh.
Now, the black is starting to bubble up. The black is coming right off.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Off. The red is not. What's goody good, you guys? Listen, I'm taking a quick second. I have to explain to you guys what's going on. Okay, what happened? I shot this video in October going into November, okay? And I hesitated. I'm not gonna lie, I hesitated. I didn't put this video out due to fear of criticism, due to, you know, what people were gonna think. I'm here to tell you, don't do that. If you got content, put it out, okay? If you got something you want to do, if you got something you want to shoot, if you got something that you want to record, a TikTok, a YouTube video, do it, okay? Now, I'm gonna get criticism for doing this. I'm gonna go off the jump. I'm gonna say, I obviously know that I could have just sprayed more red, let it layer on and peel it off. But for the sake of science, I did what I did, okay? So you're gonna see. It's gonna be a 2 or 3 part episode. So I will work on this and get them out for you. And you guys give me your feedback. Leave comments down below. Anything you think I should have did. If you think that I did the right thing. Because I was intending to pull off the wrap anyways. So I really wasn't caring what was gonna happen. I did it, so now you guys know what to do and what not to do. And what to do to make it go back to normal if you can. So you'll see. All right. But enjoy the videos, create that content, and if you haven't, like and subscribe to the channel. Don't hop on here and not subscribe to this channel. There's going to be more heaters, bangers, all this coming out once this cold weather is done with. All right, 2022 baby. Enjoy the show. What's goody good, homies and homettes? It's your boy Mag Motivates. So today we're going to be doing the removal to the plastidip fake blood splatter. I didn't really give you a big in-depth way to remove, so I'm going to let you know what I got going on here. So as you know, for plastidip, if you have a thin layer applied, you can buy dip dissolver. Now I don't have any of that, so the next best thing would be Goo Gone. Now they do have an automotive Goo Gone. I would recommend that, but I have this already, so I'm just gonna use this very thick. But basically, you're just gonna spray it on, let it sit for 5 minutes, and then wait, maybe apply another coat in about 5 or 10 minutes after that, and then it should be able to wipe off. Now, if you have a power washer, you should be able to just power wash that right off. Being that I have a wrap, I don't want to power wash it yet. I'm going to just try and wipe it down with some paper towels. I went to the dollar store, picked up some paper towels, and we're going to just try and wipe it off. I don't have it in any crazy spots. The only spot that I'm going to probably power wash will be this one right here. I probably shouldn't have sprayed them into there, but I did. So but today is the 30th of October, so we got one more day. I'm kind of at home. I'm pretty sick right now, so I'm supposed to be just kind of relaxing, but might as well have some fun while I'm at home. So anyways, we'll see what happens here. So if you listen, we have the Indy Pro 2000 going on, so you can hear it. Hang on a minute. I live pretty close to the Indy 500 track, so yeah. So also one thing, you're not supposed to get this Goo Gone on your rubber pieces here. So if you get it on your glass or anything, you can just use your nail. As you can see here, just use your nail and it'll come off, or you can just use a razor, but that stuff is all coming off. Mine's wrapped, so I'm not trying to use any plastic razors or anything like that. I'm just this is going to be a fun part to spray on, Watch this melt. It already looks like it's melted. So we'll see. We'll see. This has been a really fun thing to do to the car, and a lot of reactions and a lot of recordings and lots of head nods, and you know, it's been fun. So we're gonna do this first little test subject right here, though. You can actually see it looks like it's already starting to melt that black part. Let's see here. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. We'll see what happens. So we're just gonna go ahead and spray every little piece I need to spray. And it is fall. Trees are falling, or the leaves are falling. The car is dirty, by the way, so I'm not too worried about it. I'm really wondering what this is going to do to my coating, my ceramic coating, but I'm going to get it recoated. Now, also wonder what's going to happen here, because this is rubber. We'll see. We will see. This definitely was the part I wanted to check out spraying. I've only done one side. I'm gonna have to go get another bottle. This was already like maybe to right here. I've got like the front and the left side already done, so I'll probably have to go grab another bottle here. At least I'll have half the car done. In the meantime, I'll be able to scrape off the stuff with the razor. I kind of like this. I probably will keep the trunk like this for a little bit. The back wasn't too crazy. The back, I liked it. It didn't look so wild. So, yeah. I want to point out some spots were already kind of peeling off just from the wind itself, but as you can see, it's helping break down in the spots that are already ripped. So it's pretty nice. Pretty nice. So I'm hoping to just be able to wipe this stuff off and not have to worry about it. But coming off pretty simple. Now I don't know about this. I don't want to scrape my nail on this, because this is wrapped, but we'll see. Worst case scenario, I'll just really buy some Goo Gone, some dip dissolver, and we'll go from there. Also amazes me how many people don't know you can take a razor blade to your windows, the outside of your windows. It's just like, people, come on. It's glass. People be tripping. I got some other little spots. I'm gonna put the camera down and take care of these. I got some right here. Probably can't see because of the reflection, but nah, you can see. There you go. Like I said, y'all could hear the race cars going. I live in the racing capital of the world, so it's not uncommon. This is truly interesting. I use two different brands. I use Rust-Oleum for the red, and I use Plastidip for the black. Now, I've put the Goo Gone on and I've let it sit on, and I want you guys to see what's going to happen here. Bruh. Now, the black is starting to bubble up. The black is coming right off.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Off. The red is not. It's taking a little more oomph to get the red off. I'm probably gonna have to go power wash the red off. If I used red Plastidip, I don't feel I would be in this predicament to where I need to go use a power washer. But as you can see, the black is coming right off. It's melting right off. The red, on the other hand, I'm just using a little bit of elbow grease, and it's barely moving. So this is fun. Like I said, this is for science.
No! God, please, no! No!
So I'll definitely get it figured out. Worst case scenario, we're gonna be blue, but I don't think we're gonna have to resort to that. Alright, so I want people to see what's happening. So the black is breaking down, but the red is not, and that's the product of using two different brands. So, as you can see, it's trying to come off. The black definitely is coming off. So, I'm definitely going to say, use only plastidip brand if you're wanting to use Goo Gone to take it off. Or dip dissolver, obviously, because as you can see, the black's all coming off. The black was plastidip, so black's pretty much all gone. The red is what's still there, and I'm definitely gonna have to power wash that. So I'm gonna go grab some more Goo Gone, but I just want you to see right here. Here's the black, right? Oops. This is just using a paper towel. It's taking some of the red with it, but for the most part, look at that. The black just it's all liquefied. Gone. The red's not. So I got my work cut out for me. We got to figure out how to break this stuff down and still keep the wrap okay. Here's some slightly good news. Coming off with my water hose. So with the pressure washer, it'll definitely come off. Not bad. This is a messy thing to do.